Let's take a thumbnail pic. How do I do this?
Karanga photo! Karanga photo! Tout ça est comme ok? Bukasingo! Écoute idée, écoute idée, écoute idée.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back at you with yet another video. And this time it's not a vlog, it's a sit down video. As the title says, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Yo! Yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing video and I have to put this out, guys. Due to my impatience, I didn't wait till this unboxing time would come. I had to open up the boxes, so clearly they're already open. I know what's inside, but I wanted to share with you guys what is inside the boxes. So let's go. Let's unbox. So I'm going to be talking about Kentex Cargo, and I've put down some of the short notes that I want to discuss to you guys. Like, I've just put them down here. So if you notice me looking down, it's probably because I have the short notes written down. I can't remember everything, so I had to jot it down before I did this video, so pardon me with that. So yes, okay, before we start unboxing, I got this package I think it's now 1 month ago. Yeah, 1 month ago. This is the time when I was supposed to go to Taita. I actually expected them to come later than the time they arrived, but to my surprise, they came 2 weeks after I had ordered them online. I think like 10 days, yeah. They took like 10 days after I had already placed my order and paid for them. They started shipping. Yeah, they started the shipping process. I shipped my products with Kentex Cargo. Yes, and these are the 2 boxes that I got. Okay, I got them in 3 boxes, but I had opened them, so I just had to put them back in the 2 boxes that was still there. This is the first box, the big boxes. The first box, the second box is here, and the third box, which had makeup only, which I disposed. I don't know where I placed it. Okay, Kentex normally ship for you their products, and they use air shipment. Yes. No? Am I sure? I'm not so sure about that. Yeah, so Kentex Cargo, okay, what I want to give you a few things that you want to know about Kentex before I start my unboxing video. So one, the prices that they ship for you. They ship the products depending on the number of kgs they weigh, and that is 15 USD per kg. Then their conversion rate is 110 Kenyan shillings. I know some of my friends have already asked me about this, and I told them, and they were like, no, the dollar does not exchange at 110. Why are they calling you? No, it's a rule that they have, that they exchange the rates with 110. So 15 USDs times 110, that gives you the price that you will pay for 1 kg. And they don't have a minimum kg, so you can even ship 0.5 kgs, you can ship 10, 20 kgs, just depends on what you want. Apart from that, what else did I notice about them? My goods came to 18. They came to? Huh? I can't remember. Yeah, my goods were something 0.8 kgs. So that 0.8 gets rounded off to a whole number. You remember the numeric things we were doing in maths? I was not good in that. So yeah, they were rounding it off to the next figure, the next whole number. Yes, what else? Okay, then they also give you an option. Okay, first, before you order for your products, you have to identify the products that you want. Then you just copy the link on the products. Maybe if it's on Amazon, you copy the link of the products, then send them the email. Send them the email with the list of products that you want in a link form. So you copy and paste the link in an email where you send them. Then after that, they will go check out. They will respond, and the response rate is very fast. So they will respond to you, telling you if the products are legal according to their terms. They have terms and conditions for some products that they cannot ship. I guess something like perfumes, they don't ship. Liquids, there are some things they don't ship also, so you have to confirm with them. So if you send them the link, their support service will respond to you immediately, telling you if the product is acceptable by them and if they're going to ship it. Then they will also send you a quotation of how much you will need to pay. The mistake that I made, I didn't ask how much the product would weigh, of which I came to understand later on that they also give that option whereby they tell you how much the products are going to weigh after you get them into Kenya, so you will be able to gauge and know, okay, am I going to be able to raise this amount or not? Like, I was really surprised when I got these products, because I was thinking, maybe if I have paid for that much, the shipping won't be too much. I was thinking, maybe I'll just pay like something like 5,000 Kenyan shillings. To my surprise, guys, like, I broke the bank for this, literally. I didn't break a bank. Yeah, so you have to, then there's that option they give you to check out if the products, how much the products are going to weigh. That is, they'll just give you an approximate weight. Yeah, so, and what else? Okay, apart from that, what am I thinking? And I have things noted down. Yeah, so after they've already done that process, all the things, after they've already given you a quotation, now it comes to now you paying. They have a pay bill number where you can pay via M-Pesa, so you pay, and then after that they now start the process of ordering your products. They normally ship on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so if you order for a product, let's say on Tuesday evening, they've already shipped out, so you'll have to wait. Okay, your products will have to wait till Thursday for them to ship them out. So yeah, that's another thing that you also need to know. So if they tell you approximately 21 days, maybe your product has landed on, maybe you ordered the products on maybe the next day, the shipping day, so that is an advantage to you. The products will arrive to you. Your products will come to you early. And what else? Yeah, then apart from that, they also, when you go now, after the products have come into Kenya, they tell you now the products are here. They also send you an email, and they also call to confirm if you got the email of now the products that are there and how much the weight your products are. Then after that, you go to their offices. I understand their offices at Westlands. That's where I went. You also checked it out on my vlog where I was with my friend Mshymakeup. Thank you very much, Mshymakeup. Actually, she's the one who introduced me to Kentex Cargo. Yes, I don't know anything about Kentex Cargo until I talked to her and she introduced me to that. So thank you very much, Mshymakeup. Yeah, so their offices are at Westlands, so at Miss Tumi Business Park. So you go there. If you are a doubting Thomas like I am, okay, it's not my mistake that I'm a doubting Thomas. It's because I was wondering, okay, I'd ordered for like 12-13 products. So I'm like, okay, did you calculate the products in each product 1 kg, 1 kg, 1 kg? Because the products became like, the weight was really out of place. So I had to go and check out myself. They have a weighing machine there at the office. You go place all your products there and you weigh and you confirm this is the amount of weight. Yeah, so I think that to me was transparency. At least you don't pay for something that you don't know why I paid for until you check it out on your own. Another thing is, apart from, okay, so after you've already checked out the prices of your products, now it comes to paying. Now you pay there, they still have the same pay bill number. You pay for the products and they'll give you the products. They'll also give you an option of, maybe if the products are too bulky and you don't have a means of transport like I'm used to driving, I'm used to using matatu. Yes. So like kama umezoea kutumia matatu, and maybe at that time I considered it's Westland, and by the time I get to Rongai I'll get traffic. So if I decide to use Taxify or Uber, I will be charged more when I take time in the traffic. So the only option was me to tell them, bring the products to my house the next day. So that is an option they gave me, which was a plus for them. Yeah, so apart from that, I guess I've said a lot of things about Kentex, and it's time we get into the video. Yes, let's get to the unboxing now. Boom.
Hey guys, so after all that is said and done, at least you guys know about Kentex Cargo. but I have a few things to note down. One, I lost footage accounting to 18 minutes of the whole unboxing video, and I had to come out telling you this. That's why I have a part 1, and a part 2 is going to come out soon on the whole unboxing ish. But not that there is not going to be any continuity in terms of a continuation in terms of these videos. These 2 videos are going to be totally different. I will also have the products already unboxed, and this time it's fully unboxed because I tossed away the boxes that came with the products, so pardon me with that. All the same, you'll still get to see the products that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to do the same on the next video. So yes, stay tuned, and I hope you guys like such videos. Leave a comment down below. And yes, this is the end of the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next time guys, bye.